G'day! In today's video I'm opening this up as the jack here has essentially come off the board. It's got wiggle room. Basically used as an external battery charger, and the actual adapter cable, or the port where the cable connects to, has damaged the main board. So I should just be able to simply open this up and re-solder that, or add some more solder, and hopefully this will keep it going. So it's a very simple job that this does. Let's get in there and fix it. Now the bottom two screws do seem to be longer. Yep, they're longer than the top two. There we go. Very straightforward to get in. This should hopefully come out here. Not seeing any extra screws holding it in. There we go. Can see it already. This pin here, so not sure if it's cracked the solder pad. Just a bit more solder on there and we're going to be all sweet. It does seem like it may be the pad that's failed there. I'll move the solder over to the other side of it as well. Dump on a bit more. Maybe just touch up over here just for the hell of it. It's all part of the same connection. And might as well touch up this one over here too. Okay. I'll grab some pliers. No longer have that movement that was going on there. Might even use a little bit more. Go, that's looking a bit better. There we go. Just be a matter of feeding it back into here. Like so. Back cover back on. And 4 screws back in. Very simple, very straightforward repair on this one. Big screw, little screw, whoop, little screw, okay. Brilliant.